Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a drunken Uno game. So you can find these items right here, the shot glasses at the Dollar Tree, 3 for $1.25. You can find these online like the Uno. Just trace it. And you can find these cards like the direction cards, yeah. The drunken Uno direction cards online. You just cut it out. And yes, so these are the things that you need for the drunken Uno.
Hello. Now these are the shot glasses on the Dollar Tree. Now when you print these off, you get these off the online and you trace the images from in one of the programs that you use. I don't know if you use Cricut or Silhouette, Cameo or what. But to size it, you just take your little ruler and you hold it up to your shot glass like this, and you just place it, make it as big as you want it to be on a shot glass. So I already did that because I've done these a couple times. So you just take this. You need the rules card. We're gonna cut this out and we're gonna laminate it. You also will need transfer tape, and I already have some on here. You already also gonna need laminating sheets. And you're gonna also need a laminator. We're not gonna laminate the sheets. We're not gonna laminate the instruction cards, the rule cards on live right here at the moment. But we will do the shot glasses here. Let me move this to the side. So again, you can just take the shot glasses and you can just line it up to where you want it to be. And you can make these any colors that you want. Also had a little scraper. I had a little bit weird thing. So we're just going to take this. Sorry for the shaky camera. And we're going to pull it up, which it didn't come up. So if it don't come up the other way I just had it, you just turn it over backwards. And it usually come up like this. It will show up when I'm doing a video. Like that. So we have that there. So I already washed these. So that's why I'm touching it like this. So I didn't touch that to get the oil from off my fingers on there. So you just lay it down on something. And you just line it up. Like so. And you just press on it. And it comes off just like that. Now what I also do is after I get finished doing all 4 of these, I take a heat gun and I just run it over the vinyl just to heat it up a tad bit to make it stick a little bit more. It's going secure. Yeah, to make it extra secure. Over time, this is permanent vinyl, so over time it's going to get stronger as the days go by. But this is going to be hit with a little bit of heat, so it'll make it stick a little bit stronger from the very beginning. We can do another one. So you can make these any color you want. That came up, it's so easy. Take another one, you just line it up like that. You can just rub it. There's another one done. Let's see how easy this one comes off. This shouldn't be an issue. This is just like a little circle. Like that. And just line it up. Like so. Just peel it off like that. The last one is Uno. And this one, you can put it like that, but I usually take it on the side, like have it tilted to the side. Like so. And there we have it. So here go all 4 glasses. And I got the cards, a deck of cards to go with it, as well as the sheet with the instructions in there. So when I get off this video, I'm just gonna cut that out and laminate it. If you want to see me laminate something or show you the lamination sheet or the laminator work, I could do another video with that. But thank you for watching.